Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by proving sound can come from your device. First, plug in or swap headphones and raise system volume. You want hardware verified. Once done, open Meet, click the lock icon, and confirm microphone and camera permissions. Audio must be allowed for Meet. Google. Com. Then, close background apps that may grab sound. Restart the browser and reopen the meeting. This clears temporary locks. These steps eliminate the most common, immediate causes before deeper changes. Now focus on routing and drivers. In Meet, open settings and pick the exact speaker output you intend to use. Run the built-in test tone. Next, open your OS sound mixer and confirm the browser is sending audio to that same device, not a Bluetooth headset you forgot. If problems persist, open Audio Device Properties, set the sample rate to a common value, disable exclusive control, and update or reinstall the audio driver. This resolves many compatibility glitches. Finish by validating changes. Join a test meeting or use the test page and listen for the tone. If you still have no sound, open an incognito window or switch browsers to isolate extension conflicts. Disable suspected extensions. As a last step, reboot the system, reinstall the audio driver, or use a USB audio adapter to bypass faulty hardware. If none of that works, a key troubleshooting tip. Run the browser's task manager and mute extensions one by one to find the.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.